Welcome back, guys. For today's project, got one of these guys we've got to do some work on. Had a busted arm joint. I'm not sure what it is about these Red Dragon Megazords, but every one I get is always broken. I've got this one. It's got the arm joint that was broken on it. This one, leg's broken on. This is going to be our donor. We're actually going to pop the arm off of this one, put it on this other one, and then the rest of this one will go in the parts bin. And this one was one I actually fixed last night. It had a arm joint, one of the dowels that goes through here was broken. Got it glued, fixed back, everything back to working normal. Turned out great, but just gonna do a quick video on this one. See what we can come up with. From what I gathered last night, these aren't really bad. First thing we're going to do on our parts Megazord is we're actually going to open up this on the arm, just like this. And on the back side, once you open this up, rotate it just a little bit. When you do that, you'll have access to this screw right here. Basically, this screw goes in. This piece is made, the front piece of it has a dowel that comes through that this screw goes into. There's a spring in here, and basically it just sandwiches together. It's nothing major, but we're going to try and pop it loose. Swap it over to this other one so we'll have another complete Megazord. I see these all the time. They're always busted. Okay, so the piece that we've got that we take the screw out of, it comes off. As you can see, it actually has a spring on it. And as you can see here, the dowel piece that comes through. Let me actually pull this is the slotted piece that basically gives you the click when you rotate. Lay it off. But the other one that I was talking about last night, it's another common place that they break, is on this dowel. Not sure why, if it's just the opening or incorrectly trying to get parts to move. It happens, unfortunately. But we're going to see if we can't rectify that on this one. So, in case it flies loose when you take it apart, you basically got your spring, got your slotted piece, gear piece is what I like to call them. Okay. On this one, the piece with the spring that your screw goes in, as you can see, it's got a hole in the back for your screw to sit in. We'll actually set it on the back side. The piece that has our dowel, it actually slides in through here. But basically, we'll put it back together like we took the other one apart, where this is kind of rotated at an angle. If I can get this screw started. I'm used to working at my work table, but it was full this evening, so we're doing it somewhere else. I don't like to tighten those down real tight because of the fact that this is old plastic and you don't want to split something or crack it. Okay, got that together. And you have successfully transferred an arm onto this one. Like I said, very quick video, but just in case you need to take one off at some point, need to know how it comes apart. Appreciate you watching. Like I said, if you enjoyed this, hope to have some more stuff come up. Just like, comment, subscribe, and really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.